Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham, back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's a 2026 BMW M5 Sedan in dark graphite metallic with the black, red, and merino leather inside. Alright, so this is the 2026 BMW M5 Sedan in dark graphite metallic. I've actually got it running right now so you can see the headlights and everything illuminating properly. So before we go ahead and take a look at how this vehicle is equipped, I want to do a lap all the way around. There's a sticker on the B pillar and the C pillar. Don't worry, that's not how the car looks. We just have to take them off. And I've got the car running as I'd mentioned so that all the lights will show up properly. And there's also a sticker on the door. Don't worry, that can come off. So now that we've done this lap, let's go ahead and take a closer look at all the details. So this is dark graphite metallic. So far I've featured a couple of other colors like Storm Bay and Carbon Black. So this is our first dark graphite metallic M5 that's come here so far. And between 2026 and 2025, I don't think there's any real changes to the vehicle. Everything is more or less the same. So we've got coming down from the A pillar this body line, and then we've got another line coming here and another one here. So we've got the rondelle up front and center. We have the one-piece illuminated kidney grille here with the M5 badging on the passenger side, and you can see it's lit up. Looks really awesome. And down here we've got all types of functional air intakes. This one is right into the front rad and oil coolers. Front end looks pretty awesome, and I like seeing it from all different angles. You can see just how intricate the front end design of our vehicles are when you can see all these lines appearing, fading out, other lines showing up. It does look really, really cool. And if we take a closer look at these headlights here, so these are the shadow line headlights. BMW LED is written in there with an outline that looks cool. And we've got the double chevron, and 5 Series has them raked down so you can have a bit of that shark nose effect that's from old BMW design language. But overall the front end looks real good. I like it. When we come to the side, you'll see that we actually have the 20-inch, 21-inch 951 M wheels in jet black with that massive red M compound brake. And look at this, we've got Michelin Pilot Sport S5. We got PS5s here, and we have the amber reflector in our market, and it's very wide at the front here. We actually have the charge port door up front here as well. So I press on the 3 o'clock position when the car is unlocked. Okay, so car shut off, so I can open this. Press at the 3 o'clock position. There's a little light here to tell us what's going on. This can accept level 1 or level 2 charging. Lights here, index tells us what the light means. So white is so we can see. Yellow is standby mode, so it's gonna charge now or charge later. Blinking blue, charging now. Solid blue, charge later. Solid green, done charging. Blinking red, connection error. So let's shut the door. We have the M carbon fiber wing mirror, integrated turn signal and side camera over here. We have the carbon fiber roof with 2 grooves going lengthwise down the car. New style antenna. Side profile, awesome. We've got flush integrated door handles, massive rocker panel with a little cutout there for your Elm welcome light carpet, and big rear quarter back here. We've got on the trunk carbon fiber spoiler here, and really wide rear quarter. Love that look. And we have the double L-shaped stacked tail lights. So I'm just gonna get them on here. And from the back, we've got the M5 badging in black with the chrome outline or silver lining. And we've got the vertical reflectors on the furthest, widest sections of the rear. We have a massive rear diffuser, quad exhaust tips, and take a quick peek underneath there. So since we're back here, I have the key with me. Just one quick kick underneath the bottom middle of the vehicle will have that open up the hands-free way. Inside the trunk, right here and right here, we have the release levers to fold down the seats in a 60-40 split. We've got a bag here that has your level 1, level 2 charging. The cable on the charging, the charger itself is 18 feet. Got rubber mats, front plate brackets, carpet mats, wheel locks, all that stuff is back here. Grocery bag hanger on each side, and there's your tire inflator kit. There's a button up here to close, another one to close and lock, but we can do it the hands-free way. Beauty. Now on the passenger side, we'll find the fuel cap door. BMW hybrids require a button press on the inside of the car in order to open this. So on the inside here, right by the exterior lighting controls, there's a button here, preparing for refueling possible. So now when we come back to the other side, we'll be able to press on the 9 o'clock position. Door pops open. We're looking for 93 octane BMW M recommend Shell V-Power. Counterclockwise, one click to open the cap. There's a spot to put it. And when you're done, it's just clockwise, one click like that. Shut the door. Now let's go ahead and open the rear door here. So look at that red, black, merino leather interior. And we do have the manual sunshades in the rear. Hello train, it's been a while. And we have Bowers & Wilkins sound system with the crazy looking speaker grills, door handle. You've got your window switch, handle here, pockets down here. And back here, we've got the M tricolor seat belts, and we've got the whole red-black motif going on. Armrest in the center with cup holders. Up here, there's a button you can press to release the pass-through through the center. The button's just right there. And up top, they do have black headliner with some lights, with some Bluetooth microphones, with some handles, with some coat hangers. And the back of each front seat, there's an M, there's an accessory port, there's a USB Type-C charging port. Down here, there's more vents underneath there. Back of the center console, we've got some vents, 2 USB Type-C charging ports. There's heated seats for the 2 outer positions, and rear climate controls, and a little storage cubby down here. And now that we've had a chance to look in the back seating area, let's shut this door. And we'll open up the front passenger door next. So once I open this up, we have, again, Bowers & Wilkins, the interaction light bar going around. We have the carbon fiber interior trim with the chrome strips in there. We have the window switch in gloss black. That might be the only difference for 26, if that's even a change at all. Red here, contrast stitching, door pockets, big speakers. Got M5 door sill down here, still wrapped up. And inside here, so here's a nice look at these beautiful M5 seats. M5 on the headrest illuminates, and very, very supportive seats. Now down here, more carbon fiber, more interaction light bar, soft touch materials on the dash. We have iDrive 8.5 with the M specific layout, and this interior lighting color is called Indigo M, so it's got the M tricolors, and it does like a siren thing around here when you open the door. And down here, there's a button for your glove box, and you can also lock the glove box. We have a wireless charger on the left side with a little vent to cool your phone, ambient lighting in the cup holders, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, push start button, iDrive controller with the M inside it, and the M stays still. And we have the gear selector, we have M hybrid, we have M mode, we have volume wheel, and we've got your center console. You press this, that opens up, and there's a 12-volt plug in there. So Let's close that up. Let's go to the other side next. All right, let's open the driver door. So once that opens up, Bowers & Wilkins inside of here. We have seat memory and seat options, unlock, lock, side mirror, window controls, child safety. This is the rear sunshade, like that. Tailgate release, you can push it to open and you can pull and hold it to close while the key is inside the car. And big deep door pockets in there. M5 door sill. Again, the full power seat. We have the new flat bottom steering wheel with M at 6 o'clock, M tricolor stitching all the way around. We have the M1, M2 config, paddle shifters, red marker at 12 o'clock, head-up display, and we've got your exterior lighting controls here. And I just wanted to also point out, so we have assisted driving plus, so cruise control with no hands on the steering wheel, mitigates the speed, distance to the car in front of you, lane keeps, changes lanes for you as well. And in terms of parking, we have automatic front park, back park, parallel park, and record your own parking path and have it repeated again and again. So that is sweet. This car can also have digital key plus, making your phone into a key for the car, so you can use it just like the real key, and uses ultra wideband technology, so it's actually more secure than the real key, to be honest. And up here we do have the interior camera, we have the SOS button, and we have an interior lighting shortcut button there, so you can quickly change our ambient light color, but I think Indigo M is the one to choose. We've got the interior camera here, and there's nothing here because there's no sunroof in this car. And we've got the universal garage door openers, and up here, open that up, the light turns on. More microphones, handles at the top. So now that we've had a chance to look at all this stuff, let's open the door again. And down here, the car comes with this shipping stuff. There's a dead pedal brake, gas, and underneath here is your hood release. So it's 1, 2, and don't mind this little ODB thing, that doesn't come with the car. Oh yeah, and just wanted to show you this real world information. So we're just above a 75% charge according to this little thing right here, and it says we've got 42 kilometers range. I think we can get about 55 kilometers pure electric driving, up to speeds of 140 kilometers an hour. So the hood is open, let's just lift it up now. And there it is, the beautiful S68 4.4 liter V8 twin turbo. We have 717 horsepower, 738 foot-pounds of torque. This looks sweet underneath here. We also have positive battery terminal over there. Negative battery terminal is right over here. Washer fluid is right over there. What a bad boy. Look at this thing. And BMWs have 2 latches under the hood. So put your fingers on the rondelle. Don't put fingerprints on the paint. From about halfway, literally just under. Beauty. All right, so I've got the car running again so we can do another lap and see all the lights as they should appear on camera. This car looks really awesome in dark graphite. I think the M5 is pretty awesome. And with that red black interior, it really pops. And with the red brake calipers too. So how do you like this spec? I think it looks real good. So I've got the car running in Sport Plus on M Hybrid Dynamic Plus mode, and now that it's properly warmed up, let's hear a little bit of that exhaust sound. Who doesn't like a little V8 sound? What did you think? Let me know in the comments below. All right, everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2026 BMW M5 Sedan in dark graphite metallic with the red black merino leather interior, and we've got M Sport Pro, we've got carbon fiber. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. If you like the car, if you like the video, if you like me, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I'll put the pricing information in the description below. Please follow me on Instagram. It's @AlanBMW Durham. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.